Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Subscribe and help me to get a lot of subscribers. Alright, today's lesson is double consonants. Today we are going to learn how to write double consonants in Japanese language. Since we have learned both Hiragana and Katakana writing systems, now we can write any word we want. Let's start today's lesson. Hajimemashou. Before we start the lesson, what is a double consonant? When the consonant is written as pairs, we call it a double consonant. For some examples, double S, double P, double M, double R, double L. We know a lot of English words with double consonants. Here are some English words with double consonants. Tunnel, there are two letter N's. Butter, there are two letter T's. Summer, there are two letter M's. Alright, so in Japanese language, to write double consonants, we use the letter tsu in both Hiragana and Katakana alphabets. Let's discuss this using examples. Gakko. Gakko means school. I have written a small tsu letter for the first letter of the double consonant. Let's discuss some more examples. Gakko, school. Kekkon suru, to marry. Nippon, Japan. Bikkuri suru, to surprise. Zashi, magazine. Here are some Katakana words. Soccer, football. Chekku suru, to check. Petto, pet. Pocketto, pocket. Jacketto, jacket. Let's repeat the words together. Gakko, kekkon suru, nippon, bikkuri suru, zashi, soccer, chekku suru, petto, pocketto, jacketto. Well done. That's for today's lesson. Use the links in the description box to watch the other lessons. Subscribe and click the bell icon to receive the latest lessons. See you in another lesson.